Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. Today we're gonna study enjoyable conversation. Headline is 재미있는 말놀이. 재미있는 means enjoyable. 말놀이 is conversation. Then let's have a look. First sentence is 치읓 O. So 치읓 is CH and O is just O. 키읔 is K and O is O. And 키읔 K U is U and 키읔 K E is I. So we learned that gray color words, and actually we didn't learn black color, but I will speak everything. So 초코 쿠키를 먹고 초코 쿠키를 먹고. 초코 cookie is just chocolate cookies. 초코 is chocolate. Cookie is just cookies. 초코 쿠키를 먹고 means after eating chocolate cookies. 늘 먹고 is eating. After eating. Chocolate cookies. And 치읓 CH I 키읔 K R is A. Again 치카 치카 양치해요. Actually 치카 is mimetic words. Mimetic word. This is 으태요. So 치카 is describing when we brush our teeth. Just mimetic words. 으태요. 양치해요 means brush my teeth. 양치해요. Brush my teeth. So 초코 쿠키를 먹고 after eating chocolate cookies 치카 양치해요. Brush my teeth. Just mimetic words. 치카. And second one is look like easy. 키읔 K O 코. So 코 We learned 코 is nose. And again 코 니은 is N and U is U and 니은 is N. 눈 is eyes. I told you before last videos. So we when we are young, our parents saying ko is nose, and ko 눈. And so we need to pointing eyes or nose and ears, mouth like that. So ko 눈 and ko 입 is mouth. And ears is 귀. And head is body. So we saying 코코코코코 눈 코코코코 입 코코코코코 귀. And we need to point some part. And last sentence is 이응, no sound. And I is A, 이응, no sound. E is I. And 키읔, O. O. So aiko is just O or ouch, like that. So nothing means. Aiko, kiuk is K, E is I, 디귿 is D, A is A, 다, 리을 is L, and E is I. 기다리 아저씨가 시옷 is S, and 으 is EU, and 키읔 is K, E is I. 스키를 타다 꽈당 넘어졌어요. 아이코, ouch. 기다리 아저씨가 기다리 아저씨 is daddy long leg. Daddy long legs. So on the tail, we can see the daddy long leg. And 기다리 아저씨가 스키를 타다 꽈당 넘어졌어요. So ski is just ski, we learned. And 타다 넘어졌어요. 넘어졌어요 means fell down. So 꽈당 is just mimetic words when we fell down. Mimetic word is 이태어. So not much means. And so 스키를 타다 꽈당 넘어졌어요. That means daddy long legs fell down while skiing. So 스키를 타다 is while ski. 타다 is while skiing. So 아이코, 기다리 아저씨가 스키를 타다 꽈당 넘어졌어요. Ouch, daddy long leg fell down while skiing. So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And see you later, guys. Bang!